Are you showing love and care, integrity, faithfulness, the fruit of the Spirit as you mentor others, as you spend time with them? Again, to Timothy, but you have carefully followed my doctrine, but also my manner of life, my purpose, my faith, my long-suffering, my love, my perseverance, my persecutions, afflictions, which have happened to me at Antioch, at Iconium, Lystra, which persecutions I endured, and out of them all the Lord delivered me. You've watched me, Timothy. You've seen who I am. And so this idea of time with people, experiencing life with people,